Salaga was one of the early centers of slave trade. It happens that all the slaves from Mali, Burkina Faso area, Niger, have to be transported to Salaga, which is the transit point from where they are then transported to the coast, then evacuated to the Western world. And because of that, we have so many things to show in that regard. If you go to Salaga today, we have a point where it is being called the slave's bath. In Hausa, it is called Wankambai. That is where the first point of the slaves, as they are ushering them into the town. So they have to clean them, they bath them, let them look neat and attractive so that they can attract customers. So that is the first point. And when they get to the market, there is another place that is designated as a market for selling slaves. That place is called Kasuambai, that is slaves market. And if you appear at that place, nobody will tell you that certainly this is really a slave market in the olden days. As the slaves are being kept at the market, some of them get weak. At some point, they die, and then they have to be buried. And they are not buried with the normal inhabitants. There is a place where the slaves are buried to separate them from the normal inhabitants of the town. So that place too is called the slave cemetery. And in our local term, we refer to it as the Makango. I think these are all places that need to be looked at, and then we have a museum also in the township where most of these artifacts, those materials that were used in those days, were kept.